And at the same place where I got the box fan, I found this. I have the 3 blades that go with it, all the screws. Problem is, this had been sitting outside too, in the grass, no less. And the bearings here on the top were completely, this thing was completely seized. I managed to take it apart, and it's got a sealed bearing down here at the bottom. I put oil on it, freed it up, put some grease down in there, and it was still bad up on top, and I just kept putting oil in here until finally it was able to spin. Sounds terrible, but at least it's spinning now. What I've never seen before, though, is it's got 3 wires coming off the top. Now, I did an ohm check, and it almost looks like, well, we got the white wires common, or that's what it acts like anyway. Between the white wire and the blue wire seems like it's low speed, and then the white wire and the yellow here is high. So this is a 2-speed motor, which I don't know why they didn't just, I don't know, run it like all the other ceiling fans I've ever seen. Just 2 wires. But there's a problem. And I think this needs a capacitor, because I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. You'll see what I mean. Okay, it just sits there and buzzes. But if you give it a push, and then it kicks in, there it goes. Like I say, the bearings sound terrible, but it's working. That does sound terrible. But it is free turning now, and it's got a good spin down. But the fact that I have to push start it makes me believe that... where'd it go? I lost it in the camera. Okay. Makes me believe that it needs a capacitor of some kind, but I'm surprised it doesn't have it built in. So, and this got, of course, it's got no name on it. There are no tags that were painted over or anything. So this is a complete mystery motor. Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. Thanks for watching.